Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Instagram app on your device. At the top right corner, tap the messenger icon. Then select the friend's username whose chat you want to delete to open the chat screen. Next, long press on the specific message you want to remove. A few options will appear. Tap unsend. This will delete the message from both sides. There's another method using a small trick. On the chat screen, swipe up to activate vanish mode. Continue chatting as usual, then swipe up again to exit vanish mode. Exiting vanish mode will automatically remove all the messages from both sides. You won't be able to see the previous chat even if you turn vanish mode on again. This ensures that all messages are permanently removed from both accounts without leaving a trace. So that's basically how you can delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.